Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 7 minus 7 times 7 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 7 minus 7 equals 0. And here we have 7 minus 1, which equals 6. So 0 times 6 is just 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 7 times 7 equals 49. So 7 minus 49 and the minus 1. Now we have to do this subtraction. 7 minus 49 equals negative 42. So negative 42 minus 1, which equals negative 43. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 43. So first we have to do this division. 9 divided by 9 is just 1. So 1 divided by 9 and again divided by 9. Now we have to do this division. 9 divided by 9 can be written as 1 over 9. And here we have divided by 9. Oh, according to the KCF rule, T stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 over 9 times 1 over 9, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 9 times 9 equals 81. So 1 over 81. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 81. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 8 minus 5, which gives us 3. So 8 minus 5 times 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 3 equals 15. So 8 minus 15, which gives us negative 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 7. Well, first we have to do this division. 7 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 14. No, 7 times 2 gives us 14. And 14 times 14. Okay? 10 times 14 gives us 140. So 140 plus 4 times 14 gives us 56. So 140 plus 56, which equals 196. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 196. So first we have to do this division. 6 divided by 6 over 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 7. No, we can easily cancel this 6 and this 6. So we have just 7 times 7, which equals 49. And this is our final answer to this problem. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 7 minus 4, which equals 3. So 6 minus 3 then times 3. Well, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction. So first 3 times 3, which equals 9. So 6 minus 9, which equals negative 3. And this is our final answer to this problem. First, we have to do this division. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. So 3 divided by 6, and again divided by 6. Now we have to do this division. 3 divided by 6 can be written as 3 over 6. Then divided by 6. Now, let's simplify this fraction. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So we have 1 over 2 divided by 6. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 6, which gives us 1 times 1 equals 1. So 1 over 2 times 6 equals 12. So we have 1 over 12. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 12. In this expression, we have 3 divisions, and according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to go from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. Okay, so first 6 divided by 2, which gives us 3. So 3 divided by 6 and divided by 2. Now we have to do this division. 3 divided by 6 can be written as 3 over 6. And here we have divided by 2. Now, 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So 1 over 2 divided by 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which equals 1 over 4, or 0.25. And this is our final answer to this problem.